Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your account name in GoDaddy. Whether you're updating your business name or just need to change, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. Start by opening your browser and then head over to GoDaddy's website at www.godaddy.com. Then make sure that you are logged into your GoDaddy account, and then once you land on the home page, click on your profile option, which is located at the top right corner of the screen in between the help and the cart option. From the drop down menu, click on the account setting, which is inside the account section. Now you will be redirected to this My Profile page, where you will be able to modify different options of your profile. Since we are trying to change our name, click on the option saying full name. Now in this contact name page, enter the new name which you want to proceed with. And once you have entered the new username, click on the option saying update. As you can see below the full name option, your new name has been updated. So this is how you can change your account name in GoDaddy. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment down any query if you have. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.